Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. It's Bess, I'm the Happy Queen, and I'm bringing to you all the vibes on beauty. I'm preparing a how-to series for all the makeup steps, and girl, you need to be acquainted to the language of the beauty world. So let's get started. Prime. It could be your face, your eyelids, or your lips. So it basically keeps your foundation in place throughout the day. It gives you a smooth canvas. It makes your eyeshadow more intense, stays longer, and prevents creasing. Crease. Depending on the context in which it's used, it could mean this area of the eye, or makeup has accumulated and settled into lines. It could be the foundation or the concealer or basically the eyeshadow. And this is how it's gonna look like. This is horrible, girl. Bake. If you ever felt confused when someone says, I'm gonna bake my face, wait, what? Bake? What's the cake? It's basically letting translucent powder sit in your face for a while and then taking off, leaving you with a creaseless and flawless finish. Cakey. This is when your makeup looks so dry and emphasizes pores, dry skins, and wrinkles. That's why you can't afford to skip moisturizing, priming, or setting your face at the end. T-zone and temples. Now the T-zone is basically this area which forms the T, and the temples are the flat sides by your forehead. Arc and brow bone. Here's my arc right here, and here's my brow bone. You can feel it. Tear duct and outer V corner. The tear duct basically refers to this inner corner of the eye, while the outer V corner refers to the outer corner of the eye. Eyelid. The eyelid is this area which covers your eye when your eye is closed. Does that even make sense? Oh well. Next, Cupid's bow. Who knows Cupid? The god of love, his bow. Yes, this is it right here. And by the way, I'm wearing Service Glow lipstick in the shade The Queen and Skin. You should check them out. I'm going to leave their link in the description box. Bridge of the nose. Where's the river? No river, yet our face has a bridge, ladies. Here. Jawline, apple of the cheek, cheekbone, and hollow of the cheek. These are all around the same area, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. What are some of the words you've heard beauty gurus use but you have no idea what they're talking about? Let me know in the comment section and I'll help you out. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye.